Okay, hello everyone. So let us write the equation of a line using the formula point slope form. Okay, so we are going to use the point slope form, okay, to write our equation of a line. So tuwing kailan natin ginagamit si point slope form. Okay, gagamitin natin si point slope form if our given has a point and a slope. Ayun lang ha. Kapag slope-intercept form, okay, we have the slope and the y-intercept. This time, we have a point, okay, on the line and a slope, okay? So, we are going to use this formula. So, let us try this one sa ating example. Okay, find the equation of a line in standard form. Okay, again, standard form na naman. Okay, kapag standard form, ito ang susundan. Okay, susundan natin ang correct. So that is ax plus by is equal to c. Ayan ang susundan natin. Okay? Gagawin natin siyang ganito. Okay. But our given here is a point and a slope. So definitely we are going to use the formula y minus y sub 1 is equal to x multi m multiplied by the quantity x minus x sub 1. So this one is the point slope form. Okay, next, identify our given. For 5, okay, the coordinate for 5 or the ordered pair for 5, that is in the form of x sub 1 and y sub 1. This time, do not change the value of y and x. Okay, ang kailangan lang palitan yung y sub 1 tsaka yung x sub 1 natin. And our m is equal to 4. Okay, so let us rewrite y. Okay, minus our y sub 1 is 5. Okay, equals. Our slope here is 4. Okay, and then parenthesis, open parenthesis, write x, and then substitute x sub 1 minus 4, and then close it. Ayan. Next, since we have, we cannot simplify it yet, y minus 5 retain, y minus 5 is equal to, so since we have here 4 multiplied to the entire binomial, so 4x, okay, see 4 multiplied by x and 4 multiplied by negative 4. So 4 multiplied by x, that is 4x. And then 4 multiplied by negative 4, that is negative 16. Okay, next, ayan na. Well, so we are able to simplify it. So kailangan natin gawin siyang standard form. So paano yun? Lahat ng x and y terms nasa left side and lahat ng constant term nasa right hand side. So ganun gawin natin. Is 4x here, transpose ko siya papunta dito. And itong negative 5 na to, okay, lilipat ko siya sa right hand side. Lilipat ko siya dito. So mangyayari, from positive 4x, ililipat ko siya dito, it will become negative 4x. And then rewrite y plus y equals. So from negative 5, ililipat ko siya dito, that is negative, from negative 5 it will become positive 5. And then minus 16. Ayan. Okay. Next. All the x and y terms here nasa left hand side na. So retain. For negative 4x plus y is equal to 5 minus 16, and that is negative 11. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. Since we have negative 4x dito, yung unang term negative siya, kailangan natin siyang gawing positive. So, we'll need to multiply it both sides by negative 1. Multiply natin negative 1. So, it will become negative 1 multiplied by negative 4x. So it will become positive 4x. And then negative 1 multiplied sa y, it will become negative y equals negative 11 multiplied by negative 1, it will become positive 11. So that's how we get the standard form of our linear equation. Okay, so let's have another example. Okay, you can pause this video and try to answer this example. Okay, and let us compare your answers sa sagot na makukuha natin. Okay, so find the equation of the line in the standard form that passes through negative 4, 8, and negative 7. So tandaan that we need to change or we need to write our linear equation, okay, in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. So that is in the standard form. Now, we have a given here, negative 4, 8, and a slope of negative 7. So, ang formula na gagamitin natin is the point slope form. So, that is y minus y sub 1 is equal to m multiplied by x and minus x sub 1. Okay. O, label natin given. Negative 4, 8. Okay. That is our given point. So, ito ang x sub 1 natin. Ito ang y sub 1. Okay. And our slope is negative 7. Okay. Substitute. Bring down y and bring down minus sign. Our y sub 1 is 8. Okay. Equals. Our slope is negative 7. Okay. Since meron tayong x sub 1 na given ay negative 4, we're going to use bracket, not a parenthesis. Bracket na lang. So, write x. So, bring down minus sign. Our x sub 1 is negative 4. Open parenthesis, write negative 4, and then close mo, and then a close bracket. Okay? Next. Y minus 8, retain. Okay, equals negative 7. So, i-simplify natin is the parenthesis first muna, yung sa loob. So, we have rewrite x. Okay. Rewrite x. And then, since meron tayong negative dito, multiply ko kay negative 4. Okay, a minus sign multiplied by a negative 4, it will become positive 4. Ayan. Next procedure. So, rewrite my y minus 8. Ito muna ulit. Sa parenthesis ang unahin natin. So, negative 7 multiplied by x, it will become negative 7x. And then negative 7 multiplied by negative 4, that is negative 28. Okay? Next. Okay, tandaan ha, we are going to follow this form. That is in the standard form. So, lahat ng may x terms, okay, ililipat natin siya sa left-hand side. Okay, lahat ng constant nasa right-hand side. So, we have negative 7x. Lipat ko siya dito, magiging positive 7x. Sulat natin sa ilalim, positive 7x. Next, bring down y. Since ang y natin ay positive, so that is plus y. Equals, so from negative 8, lilipat ko siya sa right-hand side. Okay, from negative 8, it will become positive 8. And then bring down negative 28. Okay, next. So, 7x plus y, retain na yan. Simplify na lang natin ito. 8 minus 28, that is negative 20. So, this is our equation of a line. Now, sir, bakit hindi ko po minultiply ng negative 1? Because our first term here is already positive. Kapag negative lang ang first term mo, doon ka lang pwede mag-multiply ng negative 1 from both sides. But this time, it is positive. Okay? No need to multiply it by 1. Okay? Yes, that is the final answer. Next, how about if you have a given a graph and then you need to identify what is our slope using this graph. Okay, so write the equation of the line in standard form. And given natin graph. So we are going to use the necessary information na nandito. Okay, sa graph. So the point given here na nakalagay dyan ay negative 2 and negative 2. So we have a point. Okay, first point. Now, saan natin mahanap ang slope? So we cannot find the already slope here, but we can identify or we can solve our own slope based from the given here. So let us apply ito. Okay, so this one is 0, 6, sorry, not 0, 6. It's 6, 0. Since ito ay nasa x-axis. So this is our second point. Okay, the first point and the second point. Okay, pwede ka naman gumamit ng iba. We can use this. Okay, we can use this also. Ayan. Pero ako pinili ko yung may 0 para mas madaling i-solve. Okay? So, let us first solve for our slope. And tandaan na, the formula for slope, that is m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Since meron tayong given na negative 2, and 6, 0. O, lagay lang natin. Ito ay x sub 1, y sub 1. Ito ay x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay? Our y sub 2 is 0. Multiplied, minus, parenthesis, negative 2. Our y sub 1 is negative 2. And then close it. Next. Ang x sub 2 natin, that is 6. And then minus. And our x sub 1 is negative 2. Okay, open parenthesis, write negative 2, and then close it. Okay, equals, simplify natin. Applying the rule of addition of subtraction of integers, change the sign of the subtrahend, and then proceed to addition. 0 plus 2, that is 2. Okay, and then dito rin, same with the denominator. Okay, change the sign of the subtrahend, and then proceed to addition, that is 6 plus 2. So we have 8. And then lowest term mo, we will get 1/4. So our slope here is 1/4. Now we have a slope and we have a given points. So let us find now the equation of the line. Okay. So let us write the formula. The point slope form, y minus y sub 1 is equal to m multiplied by the quantity x minus x sub 1. Okay, so let us rewrite y minus our y sub 1 ay, gamitin natin to. Y sub 1 is negative 2. Okay, so open parenthesis, write negative 2 and then close it. Equals, our slope here is 1/4. And then, bracket tayo ha, kasi we are referring to x sub 1 na negative 2. So, x, or write x, minus our x sub 1 that is negative 2. Rewrite natin. And then, close bracket. Next, change the sign of the subtrahend. Ito ay positive, it will become addition. So, that is y plus 2 equals, bring down 1/4. Okay, change the sign of the subtrahend. Proceed to addition. Ito ay x plus 2. Ayan. Next, after this one, okay, distribute 1/4 sa entire binomial. So, rewrite lang natin to. Y plus 2, itong 1/4 na equals, itong 1/4 na to, distribute natin siya sa x and positive 2. Okay? So, it will become 1/4 x and then multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1/4, that is 2/4. Okay. Let us continue dito. Okay. from here, y plus 2 is equal to 1/4 x plus 2/4. Okay. So retain. Wait lang. So this time, we have a denominator 4 sa entire. You have a denominator 4 from both sides. Okay? From the denominator here, dito sa ating right-hand side. So, kailangan natin alisin yung positive 4. So, in order to remove the denominator 4, let us multiply both sides by that number. So, we have, kung meron ka denominator na 4, multiply it natin both sides by positive 4. Okay? So, 4y, distribute lang natin. 4 multiplied by y, that is 4y. Okay? 4y. And then 4 multiplied by positive 2, it will become 8 equals, so since ito, makakancel na yan, 1/4 x multiplied by 4, it will become x. And then 2/4 multiplied by 4, it will become positive 2. Okay? Next. Okay naalis na yung denominator. So 4y plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 na lang. So lahat, kailangan susundan natin ay ito, standard form, ax plus by is equal to c. Okay, so ito, x na to, liligay lang natin siya sa left-hand side. So from x, positive x, it will become negative x. And then rewrite positive 4y equals 8. O itong 8, lilipat natin siya sa right-hand side. So from positive 8, it will become negative 8. And then bring down positive 2. Okay? Next. Okay, simplify na lang natin. Negative x plus 4y is equal to negative 8 plus 2, that is negative 6. And then, since ang first term ay negative, okay, yung x term natin ay negative, multiply it both side by that number. Negative yan. Kung negative yun, magiging, okay, negative 1, yan, and negative 1. So, negative 1 multiplied by negative x, magiging x. So, negative 1 multiplied by positive 4y, it will become minus 4y. Okay? Next is equal to negative 6 and multiplied by negative 1, that is positive 6. So, our equation of a line is x minus 4y is equal to 6. So, this is the final answer. X minus 4y is equal to 6. So, this is our final answer.